In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to contact Fresha support, following our complete guide for 2025. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you know exactly what to do. Let's begin by accessing your Fresha partner account. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Fresha partner dashboard. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your partner credentials. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll notice various options and tools you can use to manage your business effectively. Next, let's navigate to the support section. Move your mouse towards the top right corner of the dashboard. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Click on this small icon. It usually resembles a silhouette or might even be a mini version of your profile picture, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is a handy gateway to several features, but today we're focusing on how to get help. So from this menu, you'll need to click on Help and Support. This step brings you to a dedicated support area. It's tailored to assist you with any questions or issues you might be experiencing. Fresha's support system is quite robust, offering various ways to connect with their team. You'll see several categories and sometimes even FAQs that could immediately address your concern without further steps. But if you need direct communication, look for the option that suits your needs.
It might be a contact form, live chat, or even an option to book a call with a support agent. Choose the communication method that you prefer. Each choice is designed to ensure you get the help you need efficiently and effectively. Opting for live chat, for instance, allows you to directly type your concerns, ensuring instant messaging with a support agent who can guide you in real time. Filling out a contact form, on the other hand, might be a better choice if your question isn't urgent, giving the team time to look into your issue and respond in a more detailed fashion. This flexibility ensures that whatever your issue or level of urgency, Fresha's support network is there to help you resolve it promptly. So remember, starting with your dashboard, you simply click your profile icon, select Help and Support, and then choose your preferred communication channel. It's that simple. For additional tips, always make sure your issues or questions are concise yet detailed enough to give the support team all the necessary context. This helps them assist you more effectively and can lead to a quicker resolution. We hope this guide will make your experience with Fresha support smooth and problem-free. If you have any further questions or need additional tutorials on how to maximize your use of Fresha, feel free to reach out or check our other video guides. Thanks for joining me today, and happy managing!